Things that are always in my travel kit. I'm always on the hunt for the latest and greatest portable travel phone chargers. This new one from Anker is the best. Opens up like that. Here is where you put your watch. You can set it down. You put your AirPods in there. And because it is MagSafe, your phone sits right there. Folds up just like that. USB-C, super fast on the charge. The new one from Anker. My 12 South AirFly, where I can connect any of my high-end headphones via Bluetooth on the plane. If on your travels you're going to be near some water, I would suggest throwing one of these in your bag. It's called the OtterBox. It is a watertight, sealed. You put your phone in. Here is this blue elastic that is part of the sealing process. Make sure that you test out your case before you put your phone in and go underwater. There are full instructions in the box. I like to take one of these down when I'm going to do a little snorkeling. You can also attach a little wrist strap over here so when you're swimming, it stays with you. So like I said, make sure you follow your instructions. Make sure that the seal that you made is watertight before you put your phone in and put it underwater. I take no responsibility for that. Speaking of OtterBox, I just picked up one of their latest silicone cases for the 17 Pro. What I like about it is that it has these additional raised bumpers around my lenses, around my flash, around the LiDAR. So I just feel it gives me much more protection. You can, if you like, add on a wrist strap right here. Possibly that's Peak Design makes a great wrist strap for that, or a neck strap. Highly recommend the OtterBox cases for your phones. To pack it up, I fold up the charger, put that in my little tech pouch. I take the waterproof case, that also goes into the tech pouch. The 12 South AirFly is always charged, along with my charged headphones, and goes into that case.